Networking for me is the most important element of our lives these days. And not only these days, it's been very important. So I believe in the mantra of networking, networking, and networking. And I also want to add that the way to do it is personal interactions. You look into the person's eyes and then you give them the 200% you got. Why 200%? Because 100% will definitely be there if you aim for the 200. So that's my simple belief. And it's worked amazingly for me. I'm like across 50, but you have to believe when I say that it's worked amazingly for me all my life. Thank you.